Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to build a simple online restaurant. First, scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the platform we will be using, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. It offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And also, you get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to build a simple online restaurant in Jotform, start by clicking on the Create Form button located either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will bring up 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Import Form, and Create Signable Document. For this tutorial, we will click on the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. Once you choose the Use Template option, you will be directed to the template library. In the search bar, enter the keyword restaurant. You will see several different templates related to restaurants. For this tutorial, we will scroll down and select the Restaurant Online Order Form template. Click on the Use Template option and you will be taken to the editor. In the editor, you can customize the template according to your preferences. The template includes fields for name, email address, and a Continue to Menu button. Visitors can use this form to order food online from your restaurant. Next, add a payment method to the form. Navigate to the top left side and click on the Add Form Element option. The left sidebar will open, and within it, you can find the Payments section. Click on this section to choose a payment method such as Square, PayPal, or Authorize.net. Once you have added a payment method of your choice, it's time to publish and share your form. Click on the Publish section and you will be taken to the Publish settings. Here you can copy the link to the form by clicking on the Copy Link option. Alternatively, you can open the form in a new tab by selecting the Open in New Tab option. To make it easier for users to access your form, you can generate a QR code. Users can scan the QR code and it will automatically install the app on their mobile phones. If you want to embed your form in a website, navigate to the Embed section in the left menu. Click on the Copy Code button to copy the code and then embed it into any website you choose. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.